Model 2014 Ford Transit Custom Trend Etech 2.2 TDCI spares OR repairs. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 88,854. MOT the 20th of February 2024. Engine 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing chain has snapped. No simple, cheap repair on these 2.2 chain-driven engines. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.